friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for the coming week, analyzing the last week index levels and the chart, and then we'll predict the index level for coming week. And we'll discuss some important news also. So stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index level and the stocks buying level for investment and some important stock market news also. So let's quickly start the video, and first and foremost we'll go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss what happened last week and what important news was. So let's go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll see this box. This box I have drawn to show you all to understand and to learn how Nifty 50 behaved, reacted in last week, and what was the important news in last week. So first, I think the news came on Sunday only, and Monday stock market reacted, Nifty 50 reacted, and the news was the dispute between the Hindenburg and Adani. Hindenburg accused SEBI chief Madhvi Buch for the connection with Adani's company and Adani stocks also, and some important accusation they have made. News did not affect stock market Nifty in Indian stock market did not take it seriously, and that day actually I think it was not this day, yes, this day it has not reacted on that news. The stock market did not react, and next day little bit fall, yes, sharp fall, and then here and then again market has recovered very nicely. So this one from 5th August, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 consecutively 7-8 days market was consolidating in this range box only. It was not doing anything, it was just passing time, and 2 days here it was a sharp fall, and then this doji candle, and then this, and it was totally was passing the time in this range box. This was the support, which is actually 24,000 psychological support also and the technical support also, but the low it has touched on this day, it was 23,900 around. So this was a very important support since last 10 days, and this was 50 EMA also, 50-day EMA also, and upper side it was 20 days EMA which was the resistance, and in this range the Nifty was consolidating. This day it went up, but again it came back in this range box again. But last Friday on 16, it has shown a very sharp move toward upside. It has broken this box, it has broken the 20 EMA also and went up, and this was a very good news actually for the investor and trader also. Means it looks like this range has been broken out with the Nifty 50, and this breakout actually clearly this breakout is done. So now we can say ki this consolidation time is over now, and now Nifty 50 will take move toward upside, and yes, resistance here it is very means important resistance 24,700 around, या 650 से 700 के बीच में 24,650 टू 700 के बीच में एक स्मॉल रेजिस्टेंस है जो कि बहुत स्ट्रांग नहीं लग रहा है, बट इट मे break it and may go up again to the all time high, which is actually 25,000. So overall this was analysis of the last week या last 10 days कह सकती हूँ. लास्ट 10 डेज का एक एनालिसिस था जिससे कि लगता है कि अब ये कंसोलिडेशन now is going to over, and now it will take again good move toward the all time high. So if we are talking short term, we are talking about next week only. So I will take this range very important, which is 24,650 to 700. I will say 24,700 and then again 25,000. So as if it's broken by Nifty 50 next week 24,700, so 25,000 is actually inevitable. So what can be the level, what we can predict for next week? This is support still. Now I will take this support because the Nifty 50 has broken out from here. So this can be now, this can become a very good support again for the Nifty 50, and which is 24,300. ये जो पुराना 24,000 जो एक पुराना टेक्निकल लेवल है जो कि साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल भी है, वो अभी इंटैक्ट है. अगर निफ्टी 50 ब्रेक्स दिस 24,300 in next week. If it's not breaking, then no chance, it is again going to 24,000, again moving to 24,000. So I'm taking this support only, but you keep in your mind and be mindful with this level, which is 24,000. It's very very strong support for Nifty 50, which is 50 EMA also. So Nifty 50 level for next week can be support 24,300 and then 24,000, yes, and resistance 24,700, and then yes, of course, 25,000, the all-time high. So this was the prediction for Nifty 50. Now I'll jump to the Nifty Bank levels. So Nifty Bank, maybe same scenario is going on. Like, see, again I have made this range box, and you can see Nifty Bank is also trading in this, within this range box, which is actually from 49,700 to 50,750 around. So this support I have given in my last video also. I'll give that video in link in I button. You can check. Same support has worked very very nicely. It has respected this support which I have given in last week, and which was 49,700. 49,700 two time it has respected here once 6th August, and then here 14th August, and even before that यहाँ पे भी. So this support again is very very important. 49,700. Nifty Bank may continue to consolidate in this range even next week also, but yes, if it's breaking this range, तो अगेन इन निफ्टी बैंक में भी एक अच्छा ब्रेकआउट आ सकता है इन नेक्स्ट वीक, एंड इवन breaking with this trend line, this range box, it will break 50 and 20 EMA also. Means दो तीन ब्रेकआउट हो जाएंगे. मीन्स 20 EMA का भी ब्रेकआउट, 50 EMA का भी ब्रेकआउट, एंड दिस रेंज बॉक्स का भी breakout. You should learn and understand what I am showing in this chart, so that you will able to predict also. So ये रेंज टूटने के बाद निफ्टी बैंक बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होने वाला है, हो जाएगा. और ये जो कैंडल दिख रही है वो ऑलरेडी मुझे अच्छी स्ट्रांग दिख रही है, बट स्टिल आई विल नॉट गो टू कंक्लूजन कि ये इसको ब्रेक ही कर देगा. आई विल नॉट गो देयर. अभी आई एम नॉट जंपिंग इन दैट लेवल, बट यस, I will wait to break this level first, and if it's breaking, even closing above that, above this level, then definitely it will reach to very soon 51,700. 51,700 is a very strong resistance for the Nifty Bank. अभी इसके आगे की बात मैं नहीं करूंगी because I am talking about the next week only. So this resistance I am taking for the next week, and let's see what happens at this two level. And the support will be the again same 49,700. So we'll predict for the Nifty Bank. The Nifty Bank range for the next week can be support 49,700 and the resistance 50,750, and after that of course 51,750. तो मीन्स 50,750 से अराउंड 50,750 से 51,750 का जो एक 1,000 पॉइंट का एक गैप है ट्रेडिंग, ये आपको यू कैन इट कैन गिव ए गुड चांस टू ट्रेड इन दिस रेंज, बट फर्स्ट लेट इट ब्रेक. So this was the short picture of the stock market and the index levels. I will repeat again. The Nifty 50 resistance 24,700 and then 25,000, and support 24,300. Nifty Bank resistance 51,000. Nifty Bank resistance 50,800 and then 51,750, and support 49,700 final support. If you have any query regarding any stock, you can comment me in comment box, and you can DM me also. My ID is on the screen also and even on my bio. So like and share the video for others also for the more reach, and stay connected to the channel for regular update of the next levels. Signing off.